everyone, and welcome back to Jeffy Unboxing. Today we are going to be doing a second attempt with the Earfleek subscription box. This is an earring subscription service that only costs $3.50 a month. They send you one pair of earrings, and they do have an upgraded version where they will send you a nicer pair of earrings for I believe about $10 a month. So this will go super quick, just like last time. The earrings come in a super cute bag. And last year's earrings, I'll tell you, I actually didn't love them at first. They're basic, they're stars, and they were cute, but they didn't seem very high quality to me. But I'm a waitress, and I was wearing them at work, and they were so lightweight because of how cheap quality they were that they were actually super comfortable to wear the entire day at work, and I ended up loving them. So I figured it was definitely worth checking this brand out again and seeing what they would send us. I'm really not too happy with these, and it's totally the design. They are this month we got eyeball earrings, and I'm not feeling it. I don't think I would ever wear these, ever. They're hideous to me, but I mean, it's a subscription box, so luck of the draw, I guess. The crazy thing about this brand is they claim that their earrings are worth $15.99. An absolute joke, absolute joke. I think their earrings are worth the $3.50 you pay for them, but the ones I got last time, I wear them all the time at work. I get so many compliments. They're lightweight, they're beautiful, so I'm gonna keep this subscription. We will get more from them and see what else is in store for us. Well, hopefully I'll see you guys again soon. Bye.